The value of pi upon 2 limit cos pi by 4, cos pi upon 8, and so on up to cos pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 is. To find the limit of this expression, we normally experienced whenever limit is asked for terms which are in product, then most of the terms cancel out and we have only some few terms. So this is given pi upon 2 limit n tends to infinity cos pi upon 4 into cos pi upon 8 and so on up to cos pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1. Normally we know the concept of limit whenever trigonometric function involve sine theta upon theta and theta is tending to 0. This limit is 1, and also when theta is tending to infinity, this limit is also 1. And for reciprocal also means theta upon sine theta, limit is same. So to find the limit, we are doing some manipulation. We are going to multiply by sine function limit n tends to infinity 2 sine pi upon 4. This is my first term, cos pi upon 4 divided by 2 sine pi upon 4. We need to divide this because we multiply in numerator. So this is my first term. Second term will be, I write second term, I write from starting point n tends to infinity 2 sine pi upon 4 cos pi upon 4 and need to divide 2 sine pi upon 4. Next term will be 2 sine pi upon 8 and cos pi upon 8 and need to divide 2 sine pi upon 8 and so on. 2 sine pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 cos pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 divided by 2 sine pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1. In the numerator, we have 2 sine theta cos theta equal to sine 2 theta. So pi upon 2 limit n tends to infinity. Expression we have sine pi upon 2 and in denominator 2 sine pi upon 4. For second term, it will be sine pi upon 4 divided by 2 sine pi upon 8 and so on. Sine pi upon 2 raised to the power n, because this is 2 here, so you can write n plus 1 here, divided by 2 sine pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1. So 2 cancel out by this, so 2 raised to the power n. You can observe sine pi upon 4 cancel out by this one. This sine pi upon 8 will cancel out by next term. So we have only pi upon 2 limit n tends to infinity sine pi upon 2 and 2 left here, 2 left here, and this is also. So how many times? 2 raised to the power n times, 2 left, and the last term is sine pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 we have. Now value of sine pi upon 2 is 1. So this is pi upon 2 limit n tends to infinity. This is 1 upon 2 raised to the power n sine pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 we have. Now you can take this here. So this will be limit n tends to infinity pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 into 1 upon sine pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1. So you can write this expression like this: pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 in numerator divided by sine pi upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1. Finally, this will comes out below this friction line. So this is, you can consider theta, and this is sine theta. and theta is going to infinity, means limiting value of this one is 1. So the value of this expression is 1.